I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and I'll be showing you how to make calls on this watch. So as long as you're within Bluetooth proximity of your phone, then you can actually make calls directly from the watch. You can have the phone in your pocket, for instance, and then go to your watch, go to the main menu, and then find this phone icon, tap on it. And then here you can go to recent. That means your phone's call log should appear here. Alternatively, you can go into contacts and open up the whole phone book. Choose the person you want to call. So for instance, if I can come here and call this contact, all I need to do is tap on that. And as you can see, the phone, wherever it is, it's gonna make that call, okay? Since this is the Bluetooth version and not the LTE version of the watch being sold in China. Most of you are going to have this one. Anyway, so the person on the other end will receive the call and you can talk to them. There's a microphone on the watch and a speaker, and you can just use the watch to make the entire conversation, okay? That is basically how to make calls. Now, alternatively, you can even go to the dial pad and dial a certain number and then make that call. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.